Maintenance requests often get delayed by clunky forms, missing details, and endless back and forth with support teams. This results in slower response times, lost productivity, and rising maintenance costs. That's where the AI request agent in DreamzCMMS makes a difference. This smart, conversational assistant is built right into the mobile app, making it faster and easier for your team to report issues and receive real-time updates. Technicians simply start a chat, describe the problem by typing or speaking, and the AI guides them step by step. Whether it's a generic request or linked to a specific asset, the system captures all key details, attaches photos if needed, and instantly generates a unique case ID. Once the request is created, you can generate a work order directly from the web portal, with no need to re-enter any data. You can also check the live status of any request by entering the case ID, and the AI responds with updates like "in progress" or "completed." Need to add follow-up notes? Simply type "add note," enter the case ID and your message, and it's instantly saved to the request history. The result? Faster reporting, fewer errors, and complete visibility across your entire maintenance workflow. No paperwork, no delays, just smarter, streamlined maintenance with DreamzCMMS.